What is up, Mythic crew? Welcome back to another video. This is day 6 on the Autobody vlogs. Alright, so today I'm going to fix up the rest of that bumper on this Sonata right here. Get those sprayed in and hopefully get them put on the car later. Let's get to it.
From the other side, and I don't know about you, but I got butterflies. Damn, I don't got game, but I feel you would like to play. So I pass go and I collect 200 on the way. I know I probably jumped too many spaces, but you can't be replaced. You're a superstar, and I can feel you in my arms. The moves are really long. My heart, funky to the bone, and I can say what we'll become. Keeping my obsession low. Am I insane? I'm delusional, baby.
We got the bumper sprayed. I just showed you guys how smooth that clear is. It's looking really good. Metallics are laid out right. So that's it for today. Gonna work on a few more tomorrow. We got them all outside. We got a big long list of cars.
Your hips don't lie, making an offer I can't refuse. Damn, maybe the only thing I know about you's your name. So I'll wear it out, and one day you might wear mine through a ring. And I know I may just be a face in the crowd that doesn't faze me. I sing loud, you're a superstar, and I can feel you in my arms. The beat is pounding out my heart, and I can say what will become. Am I insane? I did lose you, know, baby.
Alright everybody, that's the end of the day on Thursday today. It's end of the week for us. Finished all the cars, got them delivered. It was a long week, but we did good. So, see y'all next week.